If your main water heater stops working, let us know because we'll probably need to come and take a look. The good news is that most of our all-electric properties have a backup immersion heater that can be used if the main heater fails. Find your hot water storage cylinder and look for two circular things attached to the side. These are your immersion heaters. You should see power cables connect to them to a switch on the wall. They're sometimes labelled to help you identify which switch controls which heater, but don't worry if there aren't any labels though. Just remember that the bottom one should always be switched on because this is your primary heater. The top one should only be switched on if your primary heater isn't working. To get some hot water, switch on the top heating element for about an hour. Make sure you turn it off after you get enough water coming through your taps so you don't use too much electricity. This should give you enough hot water to run a bath and wash the dishes until we can come and fix the main heating element. Some of our properties may have a different switch that you can find on a clock nearby the heater. If you have this, you'll need to press or twist the boost button in order to get hot water. Once turned on, this should automatically turn off after a certain amount of time. The twist boost will turn off after an hour, whereas the button boost will either be 15, 30, 60 or 120 minutes depending on the number of times you press the button.